Here's a big warning for you. Etsy is changing. Matter of fact, it's changed a lot. And if you're trying to create products just by getting some elements from here and there, putting in some text on your own, and you're not tapping into AI to at least aid you in these designs, I believe you're missing out on a huge opportunity to scale above everybody else. You see, back in the day with Etsy, you had to go back and create these designs from scratch. I was in that same group of people, but now things have changed. And with the power of AI, you're able to create multiple high quality products within seconds. And these designs you would not even know were made with AI. So in today's video, I want to share with you a very easy tool that can help you start creating AI products. Either you're selling them for print on demand, or if you're just selling them as clip art products for somebody else to use, both businesses could actually help you make thousands of dollars online. And I want to share with you a very easy way to create these products and actually how to find the right AI prompt to make these designs. I want to share this all with you coming up next. The main platform that we're going to use today to help us create these AI products is Kittl. Kittl has an amazing AI system where you can simply put in some words and Kittl will give you amazing designs. And they have a ton of things with their clip art styles, making it even easier for you to make high quality designs just by clicking a few buttons. And they have a template section where they have a lot of high quality products already made where you can grab designs from, text from, to help you speed up your entire design process even more. Now, specifically for today's video, we'll look at their AI generation with their designs, but there's so much in Kittl that can help anyone get started. I would encourage you just to check it out on your own and to explore the many opportunities they have for you to create outstanding products. Check out the link in my comment section below to save a few dollars at checkout when you're trying to start with Kittl. And so when we do head over to Kittl, the number one thing we want to do is head over to new project, and we want to select the t-shirt canvas size that's going to be perfect for our designs. And Kittl already has the presets up for us so that we can make the right decision with our canvas. So if I head over to print on demand here, you'll see that they have Merch by Amazon, Printful, as well as Printify for their t-shirts. So I want to select Printify here, and that's going to set my canvas to be 4200 by 4800 pixel, giving me that high DPI count, which is going to be perfect for us to create our designs. So when I hit create, now I have my canvas that's going to be perfect when we are creating our AI designs for our t-shirt products. So we know one of the styles that's doing extremely well is the summer t-shirt niche, and even going further with looking at the summer type of designs for school. And this could be shirts where it says school is out for the summer, or things related to school is over and summer is started. And so we definitely want to create something like this utilizing Kittl's AI tool for us to create our design. Again, we want to create all of our designs with AI. That is going to definitely speed up our entire design process. And so one of the things we definitely want to do is utilize some AI tools to help us actually find the prompt so that we can start creating our design. And one of the things that we're going to use to help us do this is the Create a Prompt AI tool. This is a tool we created for our membership community where you were able to upload a mock-up image of whatever product you found either on Amazon, Etsy, or Pinterest, and you're able to run that through our Create a Prompt tool where it will analyze the design and give you a creative prompt just for the design itself that you can use on Kittl. And you can do this also in bulk, as well as we have a bulk feature where you are able to upload 10 mock-up images at the same time and get a creative prompt for every design you upload. But for our case today, we're just going to focus on one design and get a creative prompt from it. And so we're going to jump into just a single image here, and I'm going to paste in a mock-up image we found on Etsy, this shirt right here. I'm going to hit generate. This is going to give us a creative prompt that's going to analyze the design and get us to a very quick place with having a creative complex prompt that's bringing in this design style. Notice here how it brings up the text. Notice how it brings up the overall style, just the colors of the entire design. And this is going to give us a variation of this design that we can start using on our Etsy shop. And the only thing we have to do here is go ahead and hit copy. We can jump back into Kittl where we're going to utilize the Kittl AI tool, and we're going to select image generator. And this is where we're going to plug in that prompt prompt we gathered for Kittl's AI to create a t-shirt image. And because we have a lot of text on our product, we're going to use their model ideogram, and this is going to help us get the best version of our product without there being any grammatical errors. And so we have our very complex prompt here, and Kittl does give you some options to have different type of clip art styles just to bring in some more design styles to your product. But in our case today, we definitely want this to be created for a t-shirt, so we want the background to be something that's going to be easily removed. So we'll select that here, and then we'll hit generate, and then we'll see what we get as a result. And here's what the Kittl AI gathered as a result, and I think this came out extremely well. We can see that it definitely brought in those type of colors that's perfect for our design. Notice here how it brought in the text perfectly as well, hello summer, and it brought in the hashtag. And that is the power of utilizing this tool, create a prompt AI tool along with Kittl, so you can easily get these prompts that you can start creating and start selling. And notice how it gave us a variation, definitely something that we can change and really start selling ourselves. If we do want to hit regenerate again, we can, and it's going to give us a different design as well, but still stay within what we see works. And as you can see, that came out extremely well as well, and this is definitely something we can use on our t-shirt product. And here's just an example of all the different variations we created just by putting in that prompt. Again, we have this variation here, you can see we have this variation here. All these things are great to use for us to sell on our t-shirt products, and you can see this is very easy to use when you're trying to create high quality products and definitely utilize some high quality prompts to use on Kittl. And so only thing we have to do here is simply remove the background here with Kittl, and we can go ahead and use one of their mock-up images to see how this will look once it is printed out. So I head over to mock-up here, I head over to t-shirt and use one of their t-shirts that's in Kittl, and you can see that came out extremely well. Again, that saved us so much time because we didn't create anything from scratch, right? Everything was right in Kittl, and this is something we can upload to Printify. We can start selling this as a t-shirt. Even if we don't want to sell the physical product, we can sell this as a digital design that's selling extremely well on Etsy right now. But this saves us so much time without us creating these things from scratch. And here is another example of a t-shirt we can sell as well. Again, all made with Kittl AI, gathering that prompt and definitely speeded up our entire design process. So this is definitely a game changer if you're trying to create t-shirt products. Again, utilizing Kittl AI be a massive time saver and definitely help you create high quality products you can start selling on Etsy right now. And here are just some example of some t-shirts I was able to make with Kittl. As you can see, these things came out extremely well, and if you didn't know, this was created all with AI. This really saves you a ton of time as it brings in very colorful images, especially with this one here, and a lot of text, but everything is spot on, and everything on this list here of designs that I'm sharing with you are top selling, best selling products. Again, these are things that you can make easily in just a couple of seconds. Even some basic shirts like this where it says it's 5 o'clock everywhere, I'm retired, obviously a best selling t-shirt design as well. Again, made with Kittl. Again, I didn't type in anything here. The Kittl AI was able to create this. As you can see, the text came out well. So this is a huge time saver if you're trying to create designs. Again, if you're utilizing the simple way of creating designs by grabbing elements and putting in text, I think you could do a lot faster, and also many ways a lot better when you are adding these things in with AI. Even like a product like this that's obviously all text, no design in it at all, but again, it brought in that nice type of retro type of style, adding in these different type of colors. And again, this was also made with Kittl AI. Now, Kittl AI is also great if you are wanting to sell tumbler wraps. Like this was also made with Kittl, and this was made with Kittl. So a huge opportunity for you to really sell high quality designs. I just want to share with you what is possible when you are getting into Kittl and creating these type of products. This can be a game changer. You're selling high quality designs on Etsy right now. So as you can see, creating these designs is really easy when you're able to get the prompt and plug that into Kittl to create amazing designs. And we're only talking about creating a few designs today, but you can see how easy this is to scale your designs to 10, 20, even 30 designs in one day. Now, if you want to learn how to actually create these designs in bulk and create multiple designs that you can start selling right now on Etsy, check out this next video here where I share with you exactly my step-by-step process of creating high quality designs on Etsy, and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online yourself. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.